So today I'm soldering some footed one-of-a-kind oil lamps together. I've made both parts on the lathe spinning, and now I'm going to just solder the two halves together on my turntable here. So I light my torch. So, little centering device, and then I'll just try it a little bit first and then try to true it up. And once I get it close to true, I put some flux on there, and then I do the final truing. So what I'm doing now is adding flux on the inside, which is what carries the solder into its joint and makes everything nice and clean and smooth. This will be washed out after it's soldered. And then I just drop little pallions of solder. They've already been bent to the diameter of the joint down inside, and I make sure they're aligned right on the place they want to be. Comme ça. And then final truing of lamp. That looks good. Okay, so here comes the heat. The flux actually heats up and gets a little thinner and comes down through the joint and brings the solder with it. And there it is. I can see it flowing. I'll put just a little more flux on this one, so I get a nice even seam. There it is. Okay. Ta-da! Ta-da!